scratches into a pool of nail polish remover.
That's crazy. We have those backed up 1,000 times. Right, Howard? What do you do?
Don't do it. Those shows are funny. Mice killing cats, guts everywhere. It doesn't matter if it's boy guts or girl guts. Guts are guts. See, the thing about comedy is...
Mike, stop mansplaining!
No. If I keep talking, they'll get it eventually.
Alam mo yung mga nag-rally na Freedom for Canada?
The fumes are burning my eyes!
Hindi mo nakikita. Freedom for Canada?
They're
Yun
crying!
yung mga
On
gusto
live
nilang
TV!
paanin.
Glatterize their tears!
Mga immigrant. I-deport ba ako? I-deport. At ang sabi ng spokesperson ng lalaki, ang problem kasi ay nawawalan kami ng trabaho at yung mga kabataan. Ang gusto kong mangyari ay yung hindi generation, yung mga anak namin
Your brothers
ay
are
magkaroon ng
united
mga
in
bata
blaming
ay
this
magkaroon
on you.
ng kanilang nakatrabaho dahil citizen sila ng Canada. Pero nasa